All right, got another pickup here from KG Fireworks. I'm gonna try to rattle through this really quick. Something I haven't seen before: 5-inch mega shell by Fire. Oh man, I just looked at that. No, I can't get the glasses on. Firestar by Firestar. There we go. It's so tiny in there. You gotta get it real close. There we go. Firestar. Haven't seen these before. They say they're pretty good. 12 max powered canister shells. Don't really. 12 superior shells, max power. I don't know what else is going on here. Effects. Let's get this over here. Get a better look at this. Without the glare. Can I do it without the glare? Not really. Oh, it's very glary. And I can't even read them. These poor guys. Brocade crown. I did get that. Okay. Green palms and white strobe. You're gonna have to pause these. Oh. Well, these sound pretty interesting. And palm with a white strobe. Okay. There's a bigger one. So, I'm going to take a look at those, see what those will do. This one I saw a demo of it, Wings of Freedom by Cutting Edge Performance. Look at that. A lot going on here. But there's a falling leaf effect going on in here. A couple times. I already saw got a couple of them. Sky Diamond, that's a real good one. I like the demo video of that. It's brocade or palms, if you will. It's either palms or brocade. Palms, I believe they call them. Here. Oh, not there. But anyway, yeah, there. Willow. But they're really more like palms or brocade. But anyway, and then to a strobe. It's pretty neat. It's a pretty good one. Bump Bear. That's a real good one. I wanted to get that. I saw a demo of that 16 shot. Yeah, that's 13 shots on the diamond. There's a hole in the middle. But anyway, yeah, that's a good one. Check out the demo vid on that. Oh, let me do this for you. Silver green palms, glittering tails. It's pretty cool. It's a really cool little. What? How many shots is that? 16 shots. Real good for the price. Okay, and of course, Tough Guys, the red Tough Guys. There's no crackling in that one. That's why I got them 7-shot. Roman Candle Assortment by Dominator, and I wanted to try those out. Artillery Shell by Winda, or in their lane. That's, yeah. There we go. Thought I'd try those out because we know that there are some funny shells that are going on. So here we got another Mega Mini to replace the one that I shot off over the lake, and I got a Motor Mouth, which is these are side by side. They are different. It looks like a larger bore on that thing. And actually, this one only cost me $20. This one cost $24. Excuse me. I want to get more of them, I think. This one, I've seen the demos, and Motor Mouth looks really good. So, Buck Fever, and oh, did you hear that? There might be a problem with that one. I did get a discount. Buck Fever, real good Pyro King item. And then from another buddy, I got a bunch of boombox. So, anyway, that's it. Finally, good stuff. 200 and yeah, it cost me 200 bucks plus. Yeah, call that plus, I guess. Yeah, those guys. 200. Okay, I really have to highlight this one. Performance. Exciting, huge explosions ending in a grand finale. Wow. That's all it says. That's all she wrote. I love it.